one question about your use of the word innocence, that when someone is pardoned, they are made innocent. Now, when I think of the word innocent, I think not guilty. And not just in a legal sense of not guilty, but never committed a crime. Not as if you never committed a crime. So maybe would it be more right to say that in pardoning someone, that person doesn't become innocent, but they are treated as though they were innocent, even though they are not, in fact, innocent?
Yeah, I don't think so, Ben, and this simply gets down to what you understand guilt to be. The understanding of guilt that you enunciated is the one that is presupposed by Williston and a lot of lower courts. But as I've argued, that understanding of guilt is incompatible with retributive theories of justice, which are the standard theories today in the legal community. It would mean that a pardoned or punished person still deserves further punishment. So if you want to use that sense of guilt, here's my bone that I'll throw to you. Let's distinguish between what I'd call factual guilt and legal guilt.
Okay.
And what you're talking about is factual guilt. I don't think Garland denies that. But legal guilt, I think, is best thought of as liability to punishment.
Okay.